Hello, I am Jacques Torres from Jacques Torres Chocolates. I am boiling some hot chocolates like in my previous video here. I'll just bring the mixture to a boil. 2 volumes of milk, 1 volume of chocolate powder from our can. And you can adjust it. If it's too thick, you can always add a little milk or a little cream as you want. Now, what I want to show you is this hot chocolate is great the way it is. You can serve it just like that. So you can make a nice cup of hot chocolates just this way. Or what you can do is actually use our orange peel or our ginger peel, and then you put a half cup of the hot chocolate, take 2 or 3 of the ginger, 3 orange peel. Now I'm going to use an immersion blender. All we want to do is smash this orange peel into the drink. Okay, and I'm going to do exactly the same with the ginger. And I promise you, this is so good. So I have a great smell of the orange and the ginger. So any chocolate that we have into our boxes also will go in it. If you want the flavor of the coffee, you can put a little bit of espresso, or you can put one of our espresso chocolates into the hot chocolates, and then you will have that flavor. Passion fruit, you will get this flavor. Praline, you will get this flavor. Or you can also go with cognac or even Grand Marnier. Grand Marnier is orange base. Orange base go great with the hot chocolates. So this is a great way to do something a little bit different with our hot chocolate mix.